This will be a look at the 25th anniversary first partner pack for Owen. We're gonna look at the jumbo cards. Mudkip. Trico. And Torchic. I always prefer water types. But in terms of Mega Evolutions, probably prefer Trico. Got Sword and Shield and Chain Ring. I don't play the game, I just like collecting the art. With that said, I'm keeping the code for myself. I did play TCG Online a bit, but I fell out of that. Maybe I'll get back into it because it's coming to mobile. If I can get into this. All I did was take out the code card. So, Sword and Shield. I believe that is Steel Energy. Hitmonchan. Potion. Dottler. Diglett. Chinchou. Nickit. Squirrel Bunny. Palmard. Bookbug. Bolthound. Next up, Chain Ring. Why are these rings giving me such a hard time? Grass Energy, Hat Turn, Waron, Steenie, Sphere, Craboliver, Golett, Porygon, Gookie. What is Rapid Strike? Another Craboliver. Ooh. Galarian Articuno V. Oh, Ford. Like I said, I don't play the game. Only in it for the art. Only in it for collecting. Nice and shiny. Alright, that would be all. If you watch my other videos, I put in bonus segments in the last two. Not today. This is it. Goodbye.